It's time for Top That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading pro. Ready to go a few rounds in our game, Top That Trade. Here we go with round number one, guys. Tech big boys. Facebook just surpassed 2 billion users, and the iPhone turns 10 years old. Pick a play. Is it Facebook or Apple?
How much fake news can you put out with that many people? It's just a question. They're
Right,
trying to crack down on it.
We're getting older, Phil.
We're getting older. How many hours do you spend on Facebook a day?
I'm not on Facebook, but I am on my iPhone a lot. I'll be honest with you. So,
Okay.
so
you should go with Apple.
Let me give you some interesting information here.
Okay.
The all-time forever high, Facebook is 156.65. The all-time forever high in Apple, 156.50. So their all-time highs are within 15 cents of each other.
Spread them.
So that's eerie in itself, but Apple's had a bigger pullback, so I think it's got more upside potential. They both target 170,
right.
So that's about 15 or 17% in Apple. So I think Apple has a better risk reward here at these levels because it hasn't recovered as much as Facebook has.
I agree with them, and mainly because of the new Apple iPhone that's going to be coming out. You always get a bump. Buy the rumor of the new iPhone, sell the fact.
Round number two, S&P 3000. Will we rally or retreat from that big number?
The odds are in the summer we're probably going to come down. The smart money, and they're all downgrading the stocks. The Fed may be raising rates.
They're not going to raise
rates. He says no. All right, they're not going to raise rates. If they raise rates, that could slow down the stocks. And if they don't raise rates, what does that say about the valuation of the stock market?
I still think stocks are valued fairly. We're at 17.6%
Why can't the Fed
PE
raise rates
ratio. If you
then?
look forward, they can, but I don't think they're going to. The numbers aren't really that hot where they need to. But what I'm looking at is we're looking at about a 7% earnings growth for the next quarter. So that should be a nice quarter. That'll be a nice catalyst. And it comes back to oil. If oil can make a bottom, get back above 45 and make another push to 50, that's a relief to a lot of these energy stocks, and there goes the market. Up, up, and away.
Let's take a look at round number three now. Profit push. Accounting changes could boost stocks, including Amazon, Starbucks, and Walmart. What's your pick to click?
Starbucks.
You like
Starbucks?
Starbucks?
That's one I like. We're hanging around the $60 level. Look for it to bounce back to that high at 65. That target 70. I like Starbucks.
Well, there has been an attack by the EU on Google. That's all those stocks are going to suffer a little bit. So I'm going to go with the old retailer. Go back to Walmart.
Get ready for your bonus round question. Sadly, Michael Bond, the creator of Paddington Bear, recently passed away. You might not know this, but Paddington actually bought shares of a company. He was talked into buying the Portobello Road Oil Company shares, but something went wrong and he did not make money on this deal. What exactly did Paddington do? Was it A, he forgot to do his due diligence on the company, B, he did not check into the credibility of the broker, or C, his paw became stuck in a honey jar?
Obviously, he's a talking bear. I mean,
So he's smarter than we are, right?
That's exactly correct.
I'm going to go with none of the above because you haven't used none of the above lately.
The answer is Paddington did none of the above.
Oh,
He wasn't
so it's
watching
all of the
Business
above.
First AM.
So
That
I said
was his
none
crime.
of the above. See, and then she pulls an all
All
of the
you
above.
Paddington talking bears out there, you should be watching this show. Lesson to be learned.
Good lessons and good reasons to keep watching Business First AM. We'll be right back after this.